Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 68 Reg 420iM Sport Gran Coupe. As you can see, the vehicle was presented in the fantastic Alpine White. It is a facelift model, as you can tell by the very stylish and aggressive looking facelifted LED headlights. Alongside the Alpine White, you can of course see the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside a brand new set of 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels, also 4 brand new tyres. Down the side, the car also comes equipped with the BMW sun protection glazing, the BMW gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. In terms of the interior, we've got one of the most popular colour combinations. As you can see there, it has got the coral red Dakota leather. Both drivers and passenger seats are heated, and you can also control the lumbar electrically. An 8-speed sports automatic gearbox that's going to work really well with that lovely petrol turbocharged engine. Passengers in the rear, there you can find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, that's central folding armrest, and again that's all lovely and clean. Really spacious area in the Gran Coupe, and a very comfortable and very quiet place to sit. As you can see there, again showing you off those very nice 20-inch wheels, all exceptionally clean and tidy on both interior and exterior on this car. Round at the back, we've got a gloss black rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser. We'll pop open the automatic opening and closing tailgate, allow you to take a look at just how big the boot space is. Always, of course, an important part of purchasing any vehicle is, of course, just how practical it's going to be for you. Split folding seats, removable top and bottom parcel shelves on the Gran Coupes. Round at the driver's side, once again, we can highlight to you that the Alpine White works exceptionally well with all of those extras we've added. And we shall now go ahead, take a seat inside the car, and I'm just going to run you through a couple of the major talking points and features, beginning with the wonderful professional wide navigation and media screen, alongside, of course, starting the car up. Beginning with the DAB listing, however, it's not the only multimedia we've got on this car. There is music collection, there is also an AUX and USB input. Back over to the Bluetooth audio screen now. However, there's not only the regular Bluetooth audio in this car. As you can see there, there's Bluetooth telephone, audio and Apple CarPlay on this vehicle, making it that little bit stand out for all you Apple users out there. Really useful feature to have, of course. In terms of the sat nav, it's by far the easiest to use out there. Really, again, a really important feature is making sure your sat nav is easy to use. There is also real-time traffic updates on this car to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. If we head back to the main menu at Connect to Drive Plus, this gives you access to news, weather and online search functions, all powered via Google, giving you a great amount of information whilst out and about. Service information all in green, and we do have full BMW service history on this car. It's a low mileage vehicle, it's only covered just over 18,000 miles. Cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well, and again trying to show off to you there just how clean and tidy this wonderful interior really is. Very nice and a great colour combination. So there is a look around another very nice 420iM Sport. I do of course hope you've enjoyed the walk around. If you would like some more information on the car, and of course if you would like to get in touch, all you have to do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.